where I saw you, it was a 55.
Yeah.
I had you at 78. Yeah. All right.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. An anonymous viewer was driving to work when he passed a New York State Police trooper. 2 minutes later, the trooper pulls up behind him and initiates a traffic stop.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, how you doing?
State Police. You know I'm stopping you?
I do not.
All right, so when I had you coming to southbound, over by Smithtown Road, I had you going really fast. Or not Smithtown, sorry.
Speed limit, what's the speed limit on this road?
Speed limit is, well, it goes from where I saw you, it was a 55.
Yeah.
I had you at 78.
The driver silently points to his dash cam, and after the trooper sees it, his tune changes.
All right, so
I was doing maybe 56.
all right, so here's the deal, okay? There was a white SUV.
Okay.
All right, hear me out. There's a white SUV that flew by me at 78. Right?
Okay.
That's pretty fast. Hear me out. I'm gonna paint the picture for you so that you have it on your camera too. All right. There was a white SUV that flew by me at 78. By the time I was able to catch up, because there was no U-turn for me, right? By the time I was able to catch up to a U-turn and turn around, I passed a ton of cars, and none of them were white SUVs. I'm keeping it real with you.
Yeah.
The first white SUV that I saw.
It's understandable.
Okay? So, I'm gonna take your word for it, because in all actuality, by the time I was able to turn around, that car could have dipped off. Right?
Okay.
If you were going that fast, just please try to slow it down. If you were. I'm not going to continue to stop, but I'm just asking if you were.
Do you want to check my stuff?
No. You're going to be all set, okay? Enjoy the rest of the day.
All right. You have a good day.
All right. I'm just trying to be transparent.
No.
Right?
I get it. You know, it's tricky sometimes.
Yeah,
See him coming around.
Now the trooper claims that he had to travel down the road and turn around to catch the driver. But when the driver passed the trooper, was facing in the same direction as his.
They have those barriers in the middle, so I can't even turn around. If I was able to turn around a lot faster, I would have been able to stop the car. But there was no other white SUVs. I tried to look. I wanted to say it was most likely this car.
Can I just ask you a question, though? So, if you did get the right car, but you weren't sure it's the right car, would you just give them a warning, or would you give them a ticket?
You want me to be?
You know, if I didn't have a dash cam.
No, hear me out.
I'm curious. I'm just curious.
I'm going to be 100% transparent with you. If you would have said, yeah, I knew why you were stopping me, then obviously it's an omission right there. So then I would have been able to.
Okay.
But I don't know. I'm not 100% sure. Dude, I have reasonable suspicion to believe that this was the car. Sure, it was a white SUV. It fit the description of what I saw.
Okay.
Like I said, it is what it is. I want to say it was this car. I'm almost 90% certain it was.
If you want, we could run it back if you want.
It's fine. I'm not even going to continue it, all right?
Okay.
You take care.
Yeah, have a good day. Thank you.
Yep.
The driver states that it was because of my videos that he got a dash cam, which provides objective, time-stamped video evidence that can be useful in any legal situation. Some even offer GPS speeds to serve as an impartial witness. I get dozens of emails on a daily basis from victims of alleged police misconduct. And the biggest thing they have in common is that they all failed to record the encounter. Law enforcement often have their own video, but it's foolish to count on them to record the event, as some agencies still don't have body cams, and others have yet to implement dash cams. And as I've shown numerous times on the channel, when agencies do have cameras, they will often charge hundreds of dollars to obtain the footage, and what they provide is often redacted and takes time to receive. Other times, the department and lateral legal teams will do everything they can to keep the videos from you. For example, in February of 2023, I published a video where a driver got a ticket after flipping off an officer.
Where does my dislike of law enforcement come from?
You would consent to search your car?
Nope.
I knew that was coming.
I wouldn't tell you anything like that.
Why not? It's not
Because my life ain't none of your business.
You gonna stop talking so I can talk?
Don't ever tell me how to use my freedom of speech.
I requested the body cams that same month, and the department refused to release them. The request was escalated to the county attorney, who also refused. And just this week, I received a letter from the Attorney General's office in Texas, stating that they're refusing to turn over the footage because the video shows a license plate, and it claims that the department doesn't have the technological capability to redact it. But considering DaVinci is professional-grade editing software and that it's free, I would allege that they do or could possess the tech very easily, but they refuse to do it for this particular case. You see, they have no issue posting other people's license plates on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. so long as the footage airs them in a good light. Furthermore, I've found several examples that prove that they do have software to add a blur effect to license plates. They even have a weekly show that makes use of several effects proving that they have the tech.
Gerardo Reyes, who rolled his vehicle during a crash on Hillendale Avenue, had a blood alcohol level that is almost twice the legal limit.
And so I allege that they just don't want this footage released, or it's possible that they're actively lying to ensure that LackLuster Media doesn't have a request fulfilled. The Attorney General's office failed to provide any information about how to appeal in their nameless, unsigned decision, and so I called the Open Records Department days ago, but of course, I haven't heard back. Now, just for clarity, this is how easy it is to blur a license plate. And if it moves, you click this button, and the software does everything else for you. And to top it all off, the original video that I released showed the license plate. So let me know what you think. Is this a good policy, being used to protect a citizen? Or is this prior restraint of the press because it might not show the agency in a positive light? Because the latter is not content neutral.
Once again, you think all that was necessary over one raised middle finger?
Also, you gotta stop for failure to signal, so.
Oh, he didn't say anything about me flipping him off and then coming up with a traffic violation?
I mean, flipping people off is road rage, so.
It really? I would consider that just freedom of speech.
No, it can be considered as a road rage incident.
It can, really? Oh, really? Okay. Well, I'd love to see that charge in court.
I don't think
Oh, you don't think so? Maybe you want to get with your partner afterwards and talk to him about his ego.
he told me that you stop for failure to signal.
Nah, I think we both know that's not true.
Let me know in the comments down below, and be sure to get a dash cam so that you don't have to learn how to fight off tyrants yourself. My recommendations can be found below. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady Lackluster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.